it's your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks for campaign 5 of 2025. In this campaign, we do have some new skincare. So if you are someone who has dry skin to the point of the skin being red and irritating, this is definitely going to be a collection that you're going to want to check out. So this is our Beyond Glow Centella collection. It's a 3-piece with the toner, the serum, and the cream. And I do have the cream here to show you. And I have, this is the little deluxe sample size of the serum. And you can get this free with any Beyond Glow purchase during campaign 5. So you can try out the serum there in a good size sample. Like that'll last you a couple weeks for sure. So, because, you know, serums are really good at a little goes a very long way. So of course, Centella asiatica, also known as Sika, also known as tiger grass. This is it says it's a leafy green herb rich in fatty acids and antioxidants that helps hydrate and soothe skin and relieve redness associated with dryness. So this is that grass that people noticed that when tigers had injuries to their skin, they would go out and roll in this grass, and that would help to heal these injuries in their skin. And so then they said, well, why don't we use that for our skin? And so that it's been used for hundreds of years for that purpose. So first up, we have let me switch over to this page. We have the toner, which is 96% of users experienced deep hydration and visibly reduced redness linked to, the redness from dry skin. And 96% also said that the skin felt instantly cooled. So it can help to cool down the skin, refreshes and moisturizes dry skin in seconds, and helps provide a soothing sensation for dry skin. So it's not just going to help with the appearance of redness in the skin, it's also going to help with that feeling that you get when your dry skin gets really red and starts to feel kind of irritated. So this improves skin's hydration by 4 times in just one use, and again gives that instant cooling sensation to that burning feeling that you get when your dry skin starts to get red. It is suitable for sensitive skin, which is great. I do believe this is the first thing in I would have to double check, but I think this is the first thing in our Beyond Glow collection that is suitable for sensitive skin. And it's formulated without synthetic fragrances, phthalates, or parabens. So of course, anyone with sensitive skin or that experiences skin sensitivities, you don't even have to have like truly sensitive skin. You can just, sometimes your skin gets sensitive to things. Or if you suffer from dry skin that causes redness, this is going to be a great choice for you. Toner you would use morning and evening after cleansing. You can apply it using your fingers. So you can put a little bit on your fingers and pat it in. Or you can do like the cotton pad and swipe it on that way. And you would want to follow with the serum and the cream. And then, of course, in the morning, you're always going to finish with sunscreen, some sort of SPF there. And so that's the toner. Let's see. Next up, we have the serum, which is over here. And again, this is the mini travel size. This is the much bigger regular size. So it's a soothing gel serum, and I can show you that here. Squeeze a little bit of that out of there. See, it's a clear gel. Almost looks like a drop of water, but it's thicker. Like you see, it's not runny at all. And that does feel, I deliberately did not put hand cream on this morning just so I could try these out on my hands because my hands are really dry. I don't have the redness, but they are really kind of feel dry and tight. So yeah, you can just see how moisturizing that is right away. And it does have a nice feel to it. It does absorb very quickly, instantly moisturizes. I was confusing instantly and intensely together, and instantly moisturizes is what I was trying to say. Gives skin kind of a glowing look. It really, really does. Gives that nice, and it helps the skin to feel healthier. Helps reduce the look of redness due to dryness, helps provide a soothing sensation for dry skin. So that's going to be something you're going to see consistently across the whole collection. In this case, this one improves skin's hydration by 5 times after one use. So you get even more hydration, and it's formulated without the same things, synthetic fragrances, phthalates, and parabens. Use it morning and evening. Apply it following the toner, and follow with SPF in the morning. So that's the serum. And then lastly, we have the Beyond Glow Centella Soothing Cream. And this is a non-sticky, soft texture. So I can show you that. I will put that on my other hand. Okay, that has a gel-like formula feel to it as well. You can see it's not super heavy, but it feels very, very light. So non-sticky, soft texture, instantly moisturizes, helps to strengthen skin's barrier, which, I really need that on my hands for sure, but great on the face as well. Excuse me. Of course, helps relieve the look of redness due to dryness, and helps nourish and soothe dry skin. It's clinically tested to immediately reduce the appearance of redness. I didn't have any redness in my hands today, which most of it is centered around my face and my neck. So what the heck? Let's try. This is rather deeply ingrained. This is not redness from dryness. So I actually don't expect to see any improvement in the redness, but I've got it here and I've got redness. So, but this isn't the redness from dry skin. So keep that in mind. Like if you have just natural redness in the skin, like this is just kind of a reddish brown discoloration that I have, that I used to also have on my cheeks. And it's actually probably more like sun damage and possibly hormonal or something like that. It's got, causes other than my skin being dry, because my skin's not particularly dry there. So this is specifically for skin that has redness from being dry. So that's going to be the specific target for this, that you're going to want to use it. So the skin barrier is improved in just 6 days of use of the cream. It is hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, and of course suitable for sensitive skin. The whole line is. Still no synthetic fragrances, no phthalates, no parabens. And you're going to use this morning and evening, and apply to skin after cleansing, toner, and serum. Follow with SPF in the morning. So your typical regimen there, your typical routine there for that. So that's the Beyond Glow Centella collection. Really nice to see that. I'm always really happy whenever we add anything that's good for sensitive skin, because if it's good for sensitive skin, it's good for everybody. Like, even if you don't have sensitive skin, your skin can get red from dryness sometimes, especially if you're experiencing some of that really dry winter weather right now. And then, of course, the dry air indoors from the heat, running the heaters and things. It's a really good option to use something for sensitive skin, because you don't want to further irritate the dry skin. So sensitive skin products are great for everybody. Really, really love when we have those. I do have a little bit of fashion to share. I did pick up one item from our new fashion collection, and it's the abstract print top, and that's what I have on today. And it is a shorter top. It does hit, like most of the tops that I wear that like they hit down at the hips. This is a little bit more just below the waistband on my jeans, so it's a little bit shorter, and you can kind of see that there. Like, she doesn't have it super bunched up. She's got it a little tucked in, but otherwise it hangs just over the top of her jeans. I'm loving it with a great sweater. I've been wearing it with this gray one. I've also worn it with the rib knit cardigan and tank dress set. I've been wearing it with that cardigan as well. Kind of goes, it's not exactly the same purple, but it's a nice complement. It's just it almost looks like marble print to it. So really, really like that. It's a very smooth, cool kind of material, it's very soft, but it's not like the t-shirts. It's a different type of soft, and it is very, very smooth material. So it has a really nice feeling to it, and I think I'm really going to enjoy this in the summer. I think it's going to be great in the summer too when it's warmer. I think this is going to breathe really nicely. It's very lightweight. Yeah, I just wanted to show we had a lot of awesome spring jewelry in the book, this campaign. So I just kind of wanted to highlight some of that. We've got these great beads with the precious stones, got these beautiful kind of watercolor design watches, beautiful beaded layered necklace. Like you can definitely tell it's spring because the flowers are out for sure. Oops, keep going the wrong way. We've got a few different types of the flower earrings here. I like those. I like these silver ones are really cool. Something a little different. And this style is always really popular, where it's like the wire shape of the flower. Those are always really popular. And then I thought these were adorable. This is our Fleur Deluxe collection. So we have the necklace and earring set, the ring, the bracelet, and the hairpins. So really, really cute collection. I like the kind of champagne look on that collection with the little pearls and the petals. And this one I really like. I have not seen a necklace like this in a really long time, with these really vivid colors here in the flowers. So kind of a metal and enameled mix there. And then these really cool earrings that you could wear with that. I like that we've got the options with the flower kind of going sideways and then the flower kind of dangling down a little bit. So you've got some options there in your flower power. And of course, spring always means the dragonflies, the bees, the butterflies, ladybugs, and flowers. So all sorts of cool little rings and necklace and earring sets and bracelets. Lots of fun spring stuff there. So if you're looking for some spring jewelry, want to brighten up and like flower up your jewelry wardrobe, this is a great campaign to do it in. But that's everything I've got for campaign 5. So I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, and I'll see you again in a couple of weeks.